It's official now. The Sony W1000XM4. It's official now. It's been launched. So if you're looking to get this down, place your order. You will get it. It's the new flagship headphone, a wireless headphone from Sony. If you don't know Sony, they have like if we're talking about the top three best earphone manufacturers on the planet, they are there. They are pretty much like the granddaddy of sound for headphones and earphones. For months, the speculation and rumor for the Sony 1000XM4 has been circling around the internet. I've reported on many podcasts about what you're going to expect with the new model, and it's here. It's looking very good. Is it a big upgrade to the 1000XM3? Maybe not, but it is quite good what you're getting right now, because you're getting the latest and greatest that is afforded to everyone right now. The 1000XM4, I think, is for people that want the best sound in a wireless form. Not that there are no better sounding wireless headphones out there, but if you're really looking for convenience, comfort, and still great sound, this is the option for you. So what are you getting with the new model? The new model is going to come with Sony's DSEE Extreme audio processor for upscaling poor audio files to near high-res quality. It's an AI technology that gives you a better sound by upscaling whatever you're playing on any device to high res. I think it's quite good. So Sony says that basically it apparently recognizes individual instruments, as Sony puts it, and restores compressed music files like MP3 to near high res quality. If you remember, the XM3 does this same thing, but it doesn't really use AI to do it. And maybe the XM3 wasn't able to produce the best, but I think the XM3 really was quite good. Another big feature right now you're going to get is multi-point connection. So the XM4 can now connect to two devices at the same time. The thing here is that a lot of people want two of their devices connected to one headphone, so that if there is a call coming in on their smartphone, they can receive the call while they're listening to music, and the music will have to pause actually, so it will just flip from one device to the next, because that is how it's been designed to work. So if you're listening to music on, let's just take for instance your tablet, and there is an incoming call on your device, it will switch to it. Turn up, just pause your music, and once you're done taking your call, the music resumes as well. The headphone as well has voice commands control. The XM4 comes with new microphones to give you better sound reproduction when you're talking through the mic on it, so people can hear you very well. The thing here is that there is another new feature that they have on it called Speak to Chat. I don't like this feature, to be honest, but it is quite a good feature if you're looking for if you're looking to be walking on the street and somebody starts talking to you. The XM4 would what it would do is it will just automatically pause the music you're listening to, and you can now listen to whatever the person is saying, and when the person is done, you will continue listening to your music, continue playing your music. And if you don't play any music for around 15 minutes after it's paused, and that's when you take, because there's another feature that once you're done listen to music and you take it off your head, it will stay around 15 minutes before the headphone turns off. So there are so many new features on it. The the microphones on it are fantastic. I think it has about 5 microphones. The the noise cancelling on it is quite very modernized right now with great new features. You're gonna get the very best out of this. The battery life is quite good. It's 30 hours with noise cancelling turned on and 38 hours without the noise cancellation. It supports LDAC, it supports high res audio, it supports Sony's 360 audio as well. You you also get top class sound. The price is $350 and it's now available in both black and in silver, depending on what suits you. And that's pretty much it, guys. The Sony WXM4 WH-1000XM4 is out. It's going to be very good to see how well it compares to some of the top of the line headphones that are already on the market. And it is going to stay a couple of years as the new king of wireless headphone until something better comes out, maybe the XM5. But we shall see, guys. Be sure to follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content. I'll see you guys next time.